This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook turkey tails on the stove. First, ensure your turkey tails are clean by rinsing them well under cold water. Next, trim any large pieces of excess fat to prevent the dish from becoming too greasy. Finally, prepare your seasonings, such as a blend of salt, black pepper, and a generous amount of garlic powder to enhance the flavor profile. To achieve tender turkey tails, place them in a large pot and add enough water to fully submerge them. Incorporate 1 tablespoon of salt and a bay leaf into the water for added flavor during the boiling process. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 60 to 90 minutes, or until the meat is easily pierced with a fork. Once the turkey tails are tender, carefully drain and pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving crispy skin. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Place the turkey tails in the hot skillet and sear them for 5 to 7 minutes on each side until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. To finish, pour about a half cup of chicken broth or your favorite barbecue sauce into the skillet with the seared turkey tails. Reduce the heat to low and let them simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to fully meld together. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Serve your perfectly cooked turkey tails hot and enjoy this flavorful dish with your favorite sides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.